My name is Philipp Götz. I'm the CEO of Götz Maschinenbau. Some month ago, one of my customers asked me for helping out because he had some molded parts on the grounded ship in the Suez Canal, and they asked if we can help them out with these parts. So we were thinking about which technology of 3D printing we're using, and at the end we decided to use the SAF technology from Stratasys because with other we had some issues with warping, and so we decided to print them on the new H350, and we could get like 3 up to 4 parts in one build tray, and we could deliver the parts in 2 weeks. Our customer was very happy because we solved his supply chain problems with our fast response, and he could deliver his machines in time and he didn't have to pay a penalty.